Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to download large files from Telegram on mobile. Telegram allows sharing large files up to 2 GB per file, and to download them efficiently, start by opening the chat containing the file. And make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruption or excessive data usage. And keep in mind that the process is same for small files and large files. Now tap on the download icon in the file, or you can just click on the three dot or click on Save to download. And as you can see, the download has started. If the download pauses or stops, simply tap on the file again to resume. You can also check your device storage space to ensure there is enough room for large files. Telegram automatically saves downloaded file in your device's download folder or the app's storage's location. You can view and manage your download directly from the Telegram app under the chat or in your file manager. And that's it. We just learned how to download large file on Telegram mobile, resume interrupted download, and manage stories to handle large files efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.